Ferri-eMMC is optimally designed for a wide range of industrial embedded and automotive applications. Available in 100, 153-ball BGA packages, Ferri-eMMC eases PCB design and enables low-cost manufacturing. For automotive storage applications, Ferri-eMMC features industry-leading low dppm, AEC Q100 qualification, and product longevity support. Ferri-eMMC features ultra-high IOPS and automotive-grade temperature support. Ferri-eMMC provides 100% screening and comprehensive quality control before shipping, resulting in very low dppm rates. In addition, firmware and hardware customization is available. Ferri-eMMC provides high-efficiency error correction by employing an LDPC ECC engine with StaticDataRefresh and EarlyRetirement technologies to ensure the data reliability. The advanced global wear leveling technology maximizes the lifespan with low Write Amplification Index. Ferri-eMMC features robust data protection by providing system-level protection against unstable power, software-hardware write protection option, and multiple user data security zones. In addition, the PowerShield and DataPhoenix technologies prevent data corruption in case of sudden power loss. The Ferri-eMMC storage device satisfies the strict requirements of automotive system designs. The eMMC controller is fabricated in TSMC's automotive qualified wafer production process. Ferri-eMMC offers advanced NAND management features, including error correction, bad block management, health monitoring, and the extended temperature support. In addition, Silicon Motion offers flexible longevity support to guarantee long-term availability to match long automotive product lifetimes. Ferri-eMMC is qualified to AEC Q100 Grades 2 and Grade 3. Embedded applications using HDD or raw NAND today can migrate to Ferri-eMMC for higher performance and capacity options. Ferri-eMMC enables reliable and high-performance solutions for automotive and industrial embedded applications.